Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Canva app and upload your unboxing images, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android devices, locate and tap the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar, type Canva and press enter. Find the Canva app in the search results. It is usually listed as a graphic design app with a logo featuring a white letter C on a green background. Tap on the app to open its page. Now, click the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Canva app. You may need to sign up or log in if you already have an account. Now you are ready to upload your unboxing images. To do this, look for the plus icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the plus icon to create a new project. Select Upload from the available options. You will be prompted to access your device's photo library. Navigate through your photos to find your unboxing images. Select the images you want to upload by tapping on each one. Once selected, tap Open or Choose. Your images will now start uploading to Canva. After the upload is complete, you will see your images in the Canva workspace. You can drag and drop your images into your design. Make any adjustments or edits as needed. Finally, save or download your completed design whenever you're ready. And that's how to download the Canva app and upload your unboxing images. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.